Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Instagram can't create an account right now. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there are a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So one of the things that you should be checking here is you need to check if your Instagram mobile application is actually up to date. Now in this case, if your Instagram application is not up to date, then probably that is the cause why you're having this issue. So in this case, you need to go to Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if you have the latest updates. Now from there, see if that solves your issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that you should be checking here is if you have a stable internet connection. Now if you don't have a stable internet connection, then most probably that is the cause of this issue. So if you have a slow internet connection, or if the internet connection itself is not stable, you might want to consider changing your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, consider changing this into your mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, change it into a Wi-Fi connection. Now from there, check if that actually solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, what we need to do here, or what we need to check here, is your details. So, for example, if you've been using a specific phone number repeatedly, sometimes platforms like Google, Instagram, and a lot of other platforms, if a specific number is being repeatedly used to create different accounts, sometimes they might reject the account creation process itself. Now, in this case, you might want to change your number or get a new number for that specific account if you really want to create a new account. Now, from then on, if you change your account and start creating your new account with that, it would actually most probably actually accept your account creation or the account that you're currently creating, and from there, you should be able to fix your issue. Now, one final thing that we should be doing here, or be checking here, is if Instagram is having any issues on their server. Sometimes that's going to be the case or the cause of this issue, especially if there are any problems on the servers on Instagram. So most likely that is the cause of that issue. So yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.